In front of me is Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open a list of all apps, go to settings then, and now locate wallpaper. So here it is, tap on it to open. And now you can smoothly pick the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. So here you've got all the options. You can pick free or paid ones. You can also apply something from your own gallery. But let me choose, for example, one from those quotes. Okay, no more items. Actually, I don't like any of them that much. So let us pick one from the Puppy Love album, and it can be, for example, this one. And if you like it, tap on apply. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your lock screen, your home screen, or both of them, and I will pick both. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. From now on, this picture is covering both your home screen and also lock screen of your device. Okay, so here it is. And now, as you can see, your lock screen is also covered with this picture. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.